Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. So without wasting much time, we will begin with remaining available built-in functions for list. Alright, so there are means this 8 function remain from me and we will cover this in this our last video of list. If something is remain, I will make sure that I will cover it in next video. So let's move forward. We will see this max, mean, sum, length, id, tuple, set, frozen set for this particular list. So I will execute this list. I have passed some integer values in this list. So max of that variable I passed over here num underscore list variable. So we are checking max of that list. See, it is giving us output as 250. So here we have 250 in list. So it will gives us maximum value. So max value of that particular list, it will return us. In mean, hope you understood already. So it will return us minimum value of that particular list. So over here we are having 1 as minimum number. So this sum of number of list will return us sum of this total list. All right. After that, len is nothing but length function. All right. So it will return us length of that particular list. Length means how many items that list is containing. Okay. So let's see. So it is showing us that 16 numbers it is containing. We will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right. So it is giving us correct answer. Then we will see ID of it. ID means where that list is stored. So every time whenever you are storing something in any variable, it will definitely stored at one ID. That is one place I can say, and it is consisting one particular ID, right? And spatial ID. So this is nothing but the spatial ID for our this mm, no underscore list. All right, so it is stored over this ID. After that, we will see how we can see tuple of that list. So this is how we can convert that list into tuple. All right. So now I will try with means try to convert that list into set. Set is always represented in curly parenthesis. Tuple is always represented in this round bracket. All right, or you can simply say parenthesis. Now we will see frozen set of that list. See, frozen set is nothing but set in that particular parenthesis, and that is nothing but frozen set. Frozen set always gives us this frozen set keyword before printing that particular output. All right, so this is all. After that, this index and count also we will see. Index, what index do? So if you will try to search index of this 7 in item 7, where it is located, where it is present, what is index of that 7? So what it means this dot index will do, it will return us the first occurrence of that item in list. So see, over here we have 7. I will add over here also, and let's check out. So it is giving us only this index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth index, not giving this. So this is how to you have to keep in mind. Index will always gives us index of a particular item whichever you are passing in that parenthesis, but it will gives us first occurrence of that item in a list. So here we are trying for 60, so I will add again 60 over here twice, thrice. Let's check it. So see, it is giving us 10, means this index is not giving us the remaining index, right? So likewise you can check where your item is present. After that, we will see count. So how many times 1 is present in our list? We will see So you have to just use that variable name dot count, and you have to pass in parenthesis which item you want to count. Let's execute it. So 1 is present 7 times, and likewise I am checking 5. 5 is present thrice over there. So these are the remaining means built-in function for list, and we have seen them also. So here I am concluding list topic from my side. If you guys have any query, feel free to comment and ask. I will definitely revert you back as soon as possible and try to resolve your queries. And after that, we will try to cover some question on this list function. I will make small videos of that and try to explore, try to means upload that as soon as possible. And I won't cover means a very easy question. I will try to cover question which are means frequently asked in interview. So moving forward, we will see like that also. All right. So till the time, keep learning, keep upgrading. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon in next video.